Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna show you how to add a new key for BMW G30 series. As you see on the table, this is our key programmer VP100, and on the left side this is the BDC2 modular from BMW G30 series car, and that is the adapter, and there are two remotes. And the left one is the working key, and another one is the new remote, which are going to be added later. And first of all, we need to check the remote status of this BDC2 modular. Okay, let's continue. Okay, on the screen, as you see, there are already 6 registered remotes, and number 7 and number 8 are empty. So I think later we can program the number 8 position. Okay, after we get the status of the remotes, before we do the key programming, we need to back up the dates from this BDC2 modular. Okay, let's do the backup. Okay, backup completed. Okay, next step. Now the next step, we're gonna pre-processing the BDC2 modular data, and before that we need to connect the BDC2 modular with our adapter and the key programmer. About the specifics details of how to connect our adapter with the BDC2 modular, we will publish it on our website. Here we only show you the steps of how to do the key programming. say the connection it's completed. Now we need to pre-processing the data of the BDC modeler, and what we need to do is just follow the tapes. Okay, it is pre-processing. It already made some progress. And let's be patient. Usually it will take few minutes. Okay, finally, the pre-processing is completed. Okay, so let's continue. Next step. Press OK. Continue. Next step. We're gonna generate the dealer key. again, we connect the modular with VP100 programmer. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is generate the dealer key. Okay. Choose the menu and follow the tips, very easy to do. And put the remote into the slot. And the 8th position now is empty, and it's where we gonna program. Okay, okay. Okay, key generation completed. Now stick the remote with ignition and press the button. We need to keep doing it at least 15 seconds. Be patient. Press the button, 15 seconds. And this is the key learning process. The key is being learning. Okay. Okay. Now we in the 8th position. Now we have something here, which means the key learning is completed. So it is done. It's very easy to do.